of applause. They don't know what they're getting themselves in for. Hi. How's it going?
I was all right about 30 seconds ago.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you know what's happening?
No, I enjoyed the speeches and I was getting all revved up for the new season, and now I'm less excited now.
Well, you're about to get even more excited. Are you ready to experience slime firsthand? They look ready. It's as if we planned this before. Yeah, so take a seat. Let me get you in prime position. Just scooch a little bit forward. Yeah. Yeah, edge of your seat. Very good. You should do this for a living. Okay, so we have our volunteer. Now what we need is a countdown. 10, 9, let's do it. 8. I can't hear you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's time to get slimed. What did you say? Ladies and gentlemen, that is just a taste. Slimefest coming to you this October, half term, right here at Blackpool Beach in the arena. Thank you for joining us here for the 2017 season launch. Please thank everyone who came along. We've got Council Campbell, Philip Welsh, Hayley, Scott, Robert Owen, and all of us here at Pleasure Beach. Have a fantastic 2017 season. Please head out into the foyer, grab your bags, and head on down to the 2018 construction site.